Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to Euroheaver Detail, and today we have an exterior detail on number 3 of 5 of my fleet. This is my new daily driver, what replaced the 4 Series which you would have seen. This is my 2017 BMW 750 Li, rear wheel drive, twin turbo V8. For those of you with keen eyes, you'll notice that the wheels are actually from a G12 and not the 750s. I picked these up not too long ago for a pretty decent price. As you can see, there is a little bit of a chipping on that wheel, but I have been looking for these wheels since I bought the car, and to find them in this condition, I was super ecstatic, so I jumped on them, threw on a set of non-run flat tires, and the car pretty much sits how I like it now. Today we're doing a full exterior detail, so wheels, paint, might do a little bit of clay barring, we'll see, I'm not sure yet. But other than that, as you can see, there is a ton of water spots from just the rain we've got these past couple of weeks. So really need to get into it, give her a proper wash after almost 1,000 miles in December, just for the holidays. So with that, let's get into this clean and start with the wheels. So you probably saw me working in double time there. I just applied a 1 to 10-ish dilution of Dark Fury on the car to break down as much grime as possible, but I don't want it etched on the paint, so that's why I wanted to get foam over it as soon as possible. Going to let it do all of its magic properties and rinse everything off. We are still going to pre-foam it, just trying to break this up into stages. This is as dirty as it's been in a while, so 3 stages of foam are essentially going to be required, at least around what I think will be necessary. Got rid of quite a lot. I do still feel a little bit of contamination, which is expected. I can see water spots right here. You can see them forming around the mineral deposits from before, but tons better just with a very quick spray from our diluted wheel cleaner. So now we'll move on to the wheels and actually give them a clean. So there we have it. Tons better. There's still a lot of embedded chemicals here, so definitely needs a deeper clean in the future. I do plan on getting the wheels off so that I can get the barrels in the future. So if you want to see that video, let me know down in the comments. But now with this wheel done, I'm going to do the other 3 and then we will move on to the paint. Alright, this is the second round of foaming, our pre-wash. Going to rinse this off and then do a final foam to do contact as well as our clay bar. Alright, apologies for the video quality change. My GoPro died and I wanted to finish up this drying before any water spots got on the car. But look at her. She looks just as good as the day I got it. The dealership that I bought it from did a fantastic job correcting a little bit of the paint. They didn't do any sealants. I made sure to just keep it as is because I knew I was going to ceramic coat it at one point. And even though I'm not there yet, we're just a step closer. I would not paint correct over the clay towel that we did, just because it's not nearly as aggressive. But I would say honestly, for most people, it would probably be okay. But since this is a very important car to me, I do want to pull out all the stops and actually go into the cracks, into the crevices with a proper piece of clay and just get in there, even if it mars, even if it scratches, because that's what paint correction is. In all actuality, it doesn't even need that much paint correction. This would probably be a single stage, but I digress. This car sits outside. The unfortunate bit is that when you have the dream car and the daily ends up regressing outside because the dream car has to stay nice and cozy in the garage. But again, she looks fantastic. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you do want to see the E38 clean or any of the other details we've done, you can check that out up here. Otherwise, press subscribe down here to stay up to date when we do upload new videos. As always, I'm your host Donovan of Euro Fever Detailing. Until next time, see you guys later. Bye.